um, my birds are very excited for some new treats because they're all out. So it just came, and I just thought spontaneously I'd make this video really quick to do some crinkling and whatnot. So this is all I have done, is just opened it and made sure none of my personal information was being exposed. So let's go in. So here we are. Okay, some paper. It's a little too aggressive. Let's get that out of the way. Okay, so we ordered 2 bags of Nutri-Berries, which are these. Look at that cute bird with a little sombrero on. These ones have pepper, bell pepper, red and green, and these are one of 2 of my birds' favorites. They have tried, I think, every single one from this brand, and this brand is really, really good. They pack in a lot of nutrition into these little pellets, and I highly recommend them if you have birds. They have these for all different kinds of birds, from parakeets to African greys and macaws. So that's what these ones are. And they have a lot of nutrition in them. So you also give them a seeded mixture that has dried egg and nuts and seed and pellets and some dried fruit. And then these are their very favorite, papaya and pineapple and mango. These are their very favorite ones. And look at this cute little guy. So this is a tropical fruit Nutri-Berry, and like I said, I highly recommend these in addition to their normal diet of whatever you give them. Everybody's different, but I know they say pure pellet is best, but we just mix it all up. We have real fruit and veg, and then we supplement with these as well. And then, since that is just wheat beets, this is something new we're going to try. And when you look for dried fruit for birds, you want to make sure it has no sulfur. A lot of the dried fruit that's packaged for people, you'll read on the back and it has a sulfur dioxide to it. You don't want that. And even in birds' food like this, you'll see that in the ingredients. But we made sure that this did not have that, as you can see right here in the ingredients. It's strictly this: peanuts, dehydrated banana, dehydrated pineapple, dehydrated papaya, raisins, whole peanuts, dehydrated coconut, dried green split peas, dehydrated carrots, dried red peppers, and orange oil extract. That's just probably for some of the papaya. Excuse me, I'm a little hoarse today. So yeah, that has no sulfur. You really want to make sure it does not have that. Now this is strictly a treat mix. I don't just give them bowls of this, so this is just a treat. So I'll pick out a few things, give them in the afternoon, and then they each have their favorites. Chomps really likes dried bananas, Stomps does not. He likes dried apple and papaya a lot. Trumps does like papaya too, but he does not like the pineapple. It's very interesting what they end up finding as their favorite. But so this is for anything. Now with peanuts, you want to be careful. You really don't want to give your birds a lot of peanuts, or peanuts very much, because sometimes there's like a mold that can be in there. So you really have to be careful. This is another new thing that we're going to try. I've tried another one that's similar to this, which was like a milleted stick, mostly millet, but this is a apple and orange, which is both of their favorites. This is for conures. This is a sun conure. I have green cheeked and cinnamon and pineapple. So this, as you can see, has a lot of wonderful ingredients. So along with some preservatives, but mostly it's all natural. And I like to try to give them as much natural things as possible, but they get bored. They get finicky, and gotta switch it up. So this is, I'm excited to give to them. And you can just hang these up in their cage. Where is it? It shows you. It's a little clip. You put them up there, and then there's a wood inside, which they love to destroy. Conures really love to destroy things like shred papers and whatnot. So yeah, just do your research and shop. Don't shop, adopt. Excuse me, really got to reiterate that. Don't shop, adopt, because they're just a lot of work. And do your research. Really research the type of bird that you want to get before you get one, if you get one. Because you don't know if it will suit your lifestyle. So they need a lot of attention, and they are flock orientated. They like to be with you. They like to be around you. Mine are literally right in front of me the majority of the whole day. So, and I have them out for 3 to 4 hours or more a day. They are not clipped. They have free will to fly around. I cover everything that they are around the most so they don't poop everything. That's a constant thing you'll find. But yes, just really got to do research, and I'm going to go get them these right now. Got to do your research. I can't stress that enough. Just don't go and just say, oh, I want a bird. You really need to know what you're doing. So, and if you get unlucky like me, your birds don't get along, that's a whole nother set of problems. So yeah, there's a lot of things that goes into it that you can't even dream of. So, but I love them. They're going to be family members probably for another 20 years. So possibly a pet that my son will inherit, along with our turtle that will probably live to be 80. So yeah, if you're interested, check them out. They have stuff for cats and dogs, and I'm not sure what else, but it's kind of rare that they have bird stuff. Mostly it's always catering to cats and dogs, so when you find a place that has interesting exotic bird stuff, it's kind of nice. We have a local place here in town that is an all exotic bird shop, and they do boarding. so we go there sometimes. But yeah, so here's my unboxing. Bird treat unboxing. Alright, anyway, enjoy your day, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.